Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing the benefits of search engine optimization, or SEO, for affiliate marketers. SEO is the process of optimizing your website or blog to rank higher in search engine results pages, such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. By understanding the basics of SEO and implementing strategies to optimize your website for search engines, you can significantly improve your affiliate marketing efforts. Firstly, SEO helps to increase your website's visibility and traffic. By ranking higher in search engine results pages, you can attract more visitors to your website. This is important for affiliate marketers because it increases the chances of visitors clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. Secondly, SEO helps to establish your website or blog as an authority in your niche. By creating high-quality content and optimizing it for search engines, you can build a loyal following of readers who view you as an expert in your field. This is important because potential customers are more likely to purchase products from someone they trust and view as an authority. Now, let's discuss some strategies for optimizing your website for search engines. Firstly, it's essential to conduct keyword research to identify the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Use these keywords throughout your website's content, including in blog posts, product descriptions, and meta tags. Next, ensure that your website's design and structure are optimized for search engines. This includes using descriptive URLs, creating a sitemap, and ensuring that your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Another important factor in SEO is backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website, and they're a crucial factor in search engine rankings. You can build backlinks by guest posting on other websites, participating in online communities, and networking with other bloggers and website owners in your niche. Finally, monitor your website's analytics to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Use tools such as Google Analytics to measure your website's traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. In conclusion, SEO is a crucial component of successful affiliate marketing. By understanding the basics of SEO and implementing strategies to optimize your website for search engines, you can increase your website's visibility and traffic, establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and ultimately drive significant revenue as an affiliate marketer.